Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can separate audio tracks in OBS Studio. So let's get started. Separating audio tracks in OBS allows you to record your microphone, Discord, music, gameplay, and other applications on different tracks. This makes editing much easier because you can control each audio source independently after recording. Before you begin, make sure you're using OBS Studio version 28 or later. Open OBS, click Help, and select Check for Updates to install the latest version if needed. Keep in mind that some OBS plugins may require updates after upgrading. Next, open Settings and go to the Audio section. Set your desktop audio device to the headphones or speakers you use for listening and set your microphone as the mic auxiliary audio device. After that, switch to the Output section and change the output mode to Advanced. In the Streaming tab, set the audio track to Track 1. If you use Twitch VODs, enable the VOD track and assign it to Track 2. Now open the Recording tab and choose the audio tracks you want OBS to record. Many creators reserve Tracks 1 and 2 for streaming and VODs, while using Tracks 3, 4, 5, and 6 for separate recording sources. Click Apply and close the Settings window. Open the scene where you want to separate your audio sources. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and select Application Audio Capture. Give the source a name and click OK. Choose the application whose audio you want to capture, such as Discord, a game, Spotify, or your browser. Set the window matching option to match the application correctly and confirm the settings. Repeat this process for every application you want on its own audio track. Once finished, all of your audio sources will appear separately in the audio mixer. To keep things organized, you can select multiple audio sources and group them together. On Windows, hold Shift or Control while selecting sources. On Mac, use the Command key. Then, right-click and choose Group Selected Items. Next, go to the audio mixer, click the three dots next to one of the audio sources, and select Advanced Audio Properties. This is where you'll assign each source to its own recording track. A common setup is Track 1 for live stream audio, Track 2 for Twitch VOD audio, Track 3 for your microphone, Track 4 for Discord, Track 5 for gameplay, and Track 6 for music and other background audio. Assign each audio source only to the tracks where you want it recorded. For example, your microphone should be assigned to its dedicated track, while Discord and music should each have their own separate tracks. Since you're capturing applications individually, you can usually disable desktop audio from all tracks to avoid duplicate sound being recorded. When you're done, close the Advanced Audio Properties window and use the volume sliders in the audio mixer to adjust the levels of each source. Now, when you record in OBS, your microphone, Discord, gameplay, music, and other applications will all be saved on separate audio tracks, giving you much more flexibility during editing. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.